Analabs is an ISO 17025 accredited laboratory that has been in existence now for over 24 years. Analab was started back in 1997 by some two scientists who are veterinarians who started the lab majorly to offer veterinary services. So initially we started this facility as a vet diagnostic laboratory where we were dealing with vet diagnosis for vet animals and a bit of vet pharmaceutical testing. We're basically focusing on pharmaceutical drugs for vet. But over the years, we have grown and expanded in other areas in terms of service provision, whereby as we are right now, we have expanded apart from having the vet diagnostic laboratory. We have two other facilities which we call the Food and Dairy Laboratory, which basically deals with food manufacturers. And there we are offering services for food processors, milk processors, water companies, and also we still have the chemistry laboratory, which also now deals with both food and pharmaceutical, but chemical components. So over the years we have grown in terms of our client portfolio, in terms of service, whereby we no longer now deal with vets only, but we are dealing across the industry from water, milk, pharmaceuticals, now both human and vet, and as I mentioned, now food processors who are processing food both as manufacturers and those who are packaging food products. We are rebranding, and the essence of rebranding, of course, as I said, we have been in existence for over 24 years. So there's the element of just breathing a new life into the company to try and resonate with our customers. And apart from that, as a company, as I mentioned, we have grown over the years, and our values and beliefs, we feel, which are now many other lines of service that we are offering. So we are looking at the brand that's going to encompass what we believe in right now and what we are doing. That's why we are trying to give it a new breath of life, and also just to speak out what we believe in as a company, to let it speak out to our customers. And that's the essence of our rebranding and the essence of our tagline, which is now building trust. We have values that guide us, values that we believe in, that we have been living with all these years, as I mentioned. And some of the values that we believe in, the major one being customer focus, whereby we look at as a company that everything that we do, every service that we come up with, every industry that we venture in, the decision is based on the customer requirement. Every decision that we make, our focus is on what the customer needs. How do we talk to our customers? How do we communicate to our customers? How do we ensure that our customers are in sync with what we do? They are aware of what we are doing. They are connected with us in everything that we do. So that's one of the values that we hold dearly. And also what we call continuous improvement. We believe in ensuring that we are in a science field, and science keep on growing day in, day out. So we have to continually improve our service. We have to continually innovate so that we ensure that we keep offering that exceptional service to our customers. We all want to buy a product that we trust. And being that we are part of their quality control, because when we are testing this product, we are just ensuring that the product is safe, the product is valid, the product lives to the label claim. What the client has declared that the product is able to do or contains is the true picture of the product. And when we can ascertain this to the customer, then even the consumer of the product will be able to realize that what the customer is claiming. And with that, we'll be able to build the trust for the customer with the consumer of the product. When we are able to help our customers' product penetrate the market, that means the demand for the product will go high, means our customers will sell more, and with that, the ripple effect also, meaning they'll produce more, and when they produce more, they will need to test more. So that's how this is key for us. So it becomes a win-win situation for all the parties involved. As we are rebranding, also just trying to ensure that we are able to embrace the growth that we have achieved over the years. In the past years, we have increased our test scope. We have introduced new equipments that now we are doing many other new tests. We have ventured into heavy metal analysis. We have ventured into elemental analysis. We all know that in the recent past there were issues of mercury and sugar and things like that. So as it is right now, we have ventured in equipment that we can able to test heavy metal in any product, as much as also the elemental analysis in these products. Apart from that, we have also ventured into other new tests. We're looking at doing tests like vitamins, doing tests like free fatty acid assays, so that we're able to serve our customers better. We have also ventured in other new technologies whereby we can be able to do identification of pharmaceutical raw materials in a faster way. Yes, and with all this, it's part of the rebranding, part of the new brand, part of the new service that we are offering. And as well as we have also increased our scope of accreditation, which is very key, because as we say, our major vision is to be a center of excellence. A center of excellence meaning we have to remain in sync with offering quality services, and that's why for us accreditation is very, very key. Over the years, we have remained an accredited laboratory, and it's not just accreditation as a name as per se. We look at increasing our scope. Each and every new test method that we develop, we ensure that this test is accredited. So as we are rebranding, our customers should know that we are not just rebranding in terms of the name, in terms of the colors, in terms of the tagline. We are also revamping the quality. We are also revamping the service level, and that is why we are focusing on expanding the test scope internally. We are focusing on expanding our scope accreditation so that that quality levels does not drop but even increase as time goes by. Because as a company, we value that quality because it's key, as I mentioned. That is the only way that our customers can also make the right decisions and also facilitate the trade for them in the industry. So as a company, this far we have come, and as explained, we have grown in different aspects. And because, as I said, one of our focus areas is ensuring that we remain customer focused. So as a company, we are still looking into ways in which how do we offer the best service? How do we ensure that our customers get the best out of us? And even right now, as you're saying, we are still looking to investing in new equipment that will ensure that we do more tests internally. And also we are putting up systems or softwares that will ensure that our customers have the best experience. We're looking at software that will ensure even our customers have a more direct interaction with the company, whereby if you want even to make a request for analysis, you don't need to call, you can go do it online. You can have a way where you can have your results accessible to you. You can monitor your test with us. You can be able to go in and look at which level is your test, is your analysis at. Is it already completed or not completed? Has your sample been received at the lab? And even historically have your data in a way that you can know how your quality control has been performing. You can go in and look at your historical reports and be able to know how your product has been moving over the years. We are doing all this so that we just ensure that our customers have a one-stop point where they can view their historical data, they can interact with us. If there's a complaint, it can be logged there and you can see how that complaint is being handled, so that to increase visibility. Also, we are looking at how do we push the brand more to make sure that Analabs is accessible to everyone and it's more interactive out there. So we're also looking at in the near future, how do we push the brand awareness so that we have an open interaction with our customers, and even those who want to access our services are able to get to us in an easier way. Finally, I will want to give a vote of thanks to our customers. I think we have a customer base that has stood with us over the years, that have believed in our services, and that's where we are in existence for over 24 years right now. That means that we are doing a job that is good, and that's why they believe in us and they have kept us afloat. We want to appreciate each and every one of them, and maybe just to promise them that even as we rebrand, our focus is to ensure that we offer them even better, exceptional service, and ensure that the quality that we have maintained all these years is even enhanced, so that we're able to help them make the right decision in their production and services. I also want to appreciate, of course, the staff that we have at Analabs. We have an amazing team that, of course, enable us to do this job that we are doing. I want to appreciate each and every one of them. Even during these difficult times of COVID, I think we have remained resilient and ensure that we keep offering the service that we offer to our customers in an exceptional way. So I appreciate each and every one of them, and let's continue doing our best to ensure that our customer demands, our customer requirements are met despite the challenges we might face, because that is what we are here to offer. And of course, finally, I also want to appreciate the management of Analab, our board of directors, because they have been supportive in ensuring that we are able to invest to meet our customer requirement, and it is not, we can't take that for granted, because they support the decisions that we make, and they ensure that we are able to serve our customers the best way we can.